Hello everyone, welcome to this live. Tonight we are going to talk about Bitcoin technical analysis, and we are actually going to cover everything you need to know about cryptocurrency market status. I recommend you to watch this live video carefully until the end because this live can help you to take the wise decision in financial markets. I'm going to wait for some people and we are going to wait for some people to jump in. After that, I'm going to begin this live video. We are going to take a look at some altcoins too. So this live is going to be really extraordinary. So what's up guys? Welcome to the tonight live. Oh my god, take a look at this comment. This is really sad, man. This is really sad. I cannot keep. I wanted to pin your comment. Ramin has lost all of his money because he used a fake KuCoin website. Guys, when you are using website, when you are using some website, take a look at the address of the website because some website they are fake. Okay, some website they are fake, and if you use them you might end up making a huge amount of loss. And it's too important. It's a common way to lose money in cryptocurrency market. So let's waste no time because people they have joined this live video. So let's begin with Bitcoin. So as you can see, Bitcoin price, let me load Bitcoin chart. As you can see, Bitcoin price has moved up too much tonight, and for some moment we hit somewhere around $43,500. It was a nice movement, pretty nice. If you check 4-hour time frame candle, you can see a big candle to the upside, and right now we are having some pullbacks to this broken level, which was $42,300 up to $42,500. Right now we are having a pullback on the 1-hour time frame. If we see any kind of big bullish candle, we can expect the price to move up, and we might hit some higher levels too. But if we break below this level again, we are going to see some lower levels. We are going to continue this bearish movement in cryptocurrency market, which is not going to be good. But if I want to give you a full analysis about Bitcoin, the potential resistance area, the big resistance area, is going to be this trend line, which is working right now. And also, yeah, this trend line is working nicely. And also we have another trend line from the up here, which is this one. So this area is potential resistance area for Bitcoin, and after that we might hit, if we break above this level, we might hit some higher levels too. So right now the potential resistance area is $44,700 up to $46,000. If we break above this level, we are going to see some higher levels too for Bitcoin. Okay, this is what is going to happen. And if we break below this potential support area, we might see some lower levels in upcoming days, which is not going to be good. And this is full Bitcoin analysis. We can actually check some whales activity too. And If we want to check this whales activity, wallets with more than 0.1 Bitcoin, they are buying a little bit, and these wallets, I think, they do not matter too much, but because when price is moving down, they are selling, they are ordinary people, and when price is moving up, they are buying. Okay, this is what they do. And wallets with more than 1 Bitcoin, they are buying a little bit, not too much. Wallets with more than 10 Bitcoin, they are not buying, they are selling a little bit. Wallets with more than 100 Bitcoin, they are selling again and again. Wallets with more than 1000 Bitcoin, they have bought a little bit, just a little bit, which is not too much. And wallets with more than 10,000 Bitcoin, they are not doing anything. So right now in the whales activity, we cannot see the buy pressure in the market, which is not good yet, because we have to see some buy pressure in order to see some higher levels. And we can check some market indicators too. For example, we can check the reserve risk. As you can see, reserve risk is entering this green area. If we see some lower levels for this orange indicator, it might be good, because we might see some higher levels in upcoming days. For example, if Bitcoin move down for more, and if Bitcoin move down for below $40,000, this reserve risk move down, and this indicator shows us the risk of buying Bitcoin. Okay, for example, when this indicator moves down to this area, it's a good time to enter buy position. It's a good time to buy Bitcoin. And when this indicator moves up too much, it's not a good time to buy. Okay, so right now this indicator is moving down, and if we reach somewhere around here, which for Bitcoin is going to be $30,000, if something like this happen, I'm going to enter buy position. I'm going to buy a bunch of Bitcoins. And if it not, if it I'm sorry, and if we don't see something like this, I'm not going to do anything special. We can check MVT signal too. Nothing really special is happening right now. We can see hash ribbon, not a bearish signal here. Stablecoin supply ratio moving down gradually. You can see a gradual bearish movement in the stablecoin supply ratio. If we move below this blue line, it will be a sign that a stable coin, they have too much power to buy Bitcoin. Okay, that's too important for me. It's a really valuable index for me right now. And right now I'm going to check some altcoins, because we have full analysis about Bitcoin. In my opinion, we are range, and we are having trading range for Bitcoin around $39,000 up to $40,000 area is the bottom of this trading range, and the top of this trading range is $44,000 area, 44,000 up to $44,500. This is the trading range for Bitcoin right now, and this is my analysis about Bitcoin these days. If we break above this level, we are going to see some higher levels too. If we break below this level, we are going to see some lower levels. I'm going to begin with total crypto market cap. If we check the total crypto market cap, this was my previous analysis about this index. And in my opinion, the bottom of total market cap is 1.8 up to 1.85. I think we are not going to break below this level, because it's a huge support area for Bitcoin. It's really strong, and I think we are not going to see below this level, but you can wait for some more confirmations. If you break above this bearish trend line, we are going to see some higher levels. For sure, everything you are seeing and hearing in this live video, everything is not a financial advice, and this live video has been made with educational purposes. We can check the total too, which is crypto total market cap exclude Bitcoin. And as you can see, this potential support area has worked, and in my previous live I have mentioned that this is a potential support area for this index. Okay, and we can check Bitcoin dominance, BTC.D. We had an uptrend, a small uptrend, a pullback, and another uptrend. This index is bullish, and when this index is bullish, we have two conditions. The first status, the first situation that we are going to face in cryptocurrency market is that Bitcoin will move up, and altcoin they will not, or they will not move up too much. The second situation that might happen is that the whole cryptocurrency market they just move down, but Bitcoin will not move down too much. Okay, and this is telling us one of these conditions are going to happen if we break below, if we break above that $44,000 area. We are going to see a gradual movement, gradual bullish trend in cryptocurrency market, which is going to be pretty good, and Bitcoin will move up. Altcoin, they will not move up too much, and we can actually check USDT.D, which is going to be Tether dominance. And if we check this Tether dominance, you can see that this potential resistance area has been broken up. Right now we are having the pullback, and if we break below this potential support area right now, we are going to see some lower levels, and we don't have a bearish signal in USDT dominance. If we break below this bullish trend line, we are going to see a big pump in cryptocurrency market. So right now, in my opinion, in my strategy, the best thing to do is observing cryptocurrency market, because observation is the key to make success, is the key to make profit. Okay, I think the best thing right now is observation. We need some confirmation in order to enter buy position in cryptocurrency market. If we break below this support line for Bitcoin, for Tether dominance, we are going to see a big pump in cryptocurrency market. This is going to be pretty good. Right now, I have all of my setups on my desk. I know what's going to happen. As I know what's going to happen. At any case, bullish or bearish, I'm ready, because I have a full setup of all of my indexes, all of my charts, and I am prepared for upcoming days. After all of these indexes, we can actually check some other cryptos. In the previous live, I have mentioned that $3,000 area, $3,005. I can remember the exact price that I have mentioned, which was somewhere around here. $3,005 is the bottom for Ethereum, and as you can see, we had a nice movement to the upside. Price moved up for something like 9% in only 2 days. Right now I'm waiting for a daily close of this candle. If I see a nice close, we might have double bottom pattern here. It's not confirmed yet, and I'm just waiting for it. It is not confirmed. We don't have too much pressure, too much bullish pressure. I need to see some more momentum in order to actually be confidence. And right now we are not seeing this big buy pressure. So yeah, we don't have this shadow in some exchanges. For example, in the KuCoin, we don't have this shadow, unfortunately. We don't have this shadow in the KuCoin, unfortunately. And yeah. So this is everything we need to know right now. And I'm going to begin with Dogecoin. If you have any kind of specific altcoin that you would like to know about the analysis, you can actually comment it in the comment section, and I'm going to actually take a look at those altcoins too. If we want to talk about Dogecoin, the easiest setup for Dogecoin is going to be this bearish channel right here. We had this bearish channel, or maybe something like this. It's going to be better this way. We have a perfect bearish channel for Doge. The bottom of this channel is going to be somewhere around 12 cents. I think we are not going to see below this level because the market sentiment is quite good about Dogecoin. So if in the upcoming days we see somewhere around 12 cents, I'm going to enter buy position because the market sentiment on Dogecoin is really good. Elon Musk is supporting this coin really, really well. And right now the potential resistance area is the middle line of this channel. As you can see, Dogecoin has failed to close a daily candle above the middle line of this channel. If we close above 20 cents, we are going to see 30 cents too, which is going to be good. And if we break above this bearish channel, we are going to see the real moon in the Dogecoin. Again, the hope will be back in Dogecoin. And yeah, it really matters too much. Right now we have supports and resistance areas for Doge. I think 12 cents is going to be the support again. And I'm going to take a look at Atom USDT. For the Atom USDT, this cryptocurrency is doing really, really nice. Whales are sleeping. Yeah, whales are not doing anything special right now. And this cryptocurrency is doing pretty well. And let me draw another channel. I'm trying to find the best channel for this crypto, not this one. In my opinion, we are having some channels here. This channel might be good. And this cryptocurrency is doing really well right now because most of cryptos, they have fallen down dramatically, and this crypto is not down. If you have bought up here, if you have bought somewhere around here, you are in the 10% loss. So right now the best thing to do is setting some stop losses below this potential support area. The best thing to do right now is setting a stop loss. Below this level, I'm going to sell this coin. And right here, right now, the resistance area is 45. The support area is 35, 34, 33.66 up to 34.31. This is the potential support area for this coin. And right now, I think we are going to see a trading range. If we break below this potential support, I'm going to sell it and I'm going to buy it on lower levels. If we break above it, I'm not going to do anything because we are going to see another uptrend in this cryptocurrency. Again, this crypto is doing good. So let's check what's going on with Binance Coin, one of my favorites. Binance Coin has done really good in the past days. As you can see, we had a good and nice comeback to the upside. And right now we have another bearish channel for Binance Coin. We are inside this bearish channel. We had this potential support area for BNB. As long as we are below this $500, we are bearish. Sometimes you can analyze chart with only one line, and you could sell it up here. You could sell it up here, and right now the support area is going to be here. I have found a perfect support for Binance Coin, $441. In 1 hour time frame, we are going to see another bounce for this cryptocurrency at somewhere around $550 up to $441. This area is a potential support for Binance Coin. I think we are going to see some bounces from this level again. This whole area is really good for Binance Coin with the stop loss somewhere around $433. It's good for entering buy position for leverage trading with stop losses, with money management, and this area was really good and is really good. Guys, I am not going to speak with another language, because if I wanted to do that, I would have done this on my Instagram page, and most of people after this live, they are going to see this live, because I'm going to save this live video, and some foreign people, they are going to actually see this live. If I talk Persian, they are not going to understand anything. So this is about Binance Coin. Perfect setup. My favorite setup. You could enter short position up here after the breakout from this trend line, and price has moved down dramatically. We are going to have some live trades on my YouTube page, and also for some of my students in my private channels. It's going to begin this month. So let's check some other altcoins. Anything special? Let's check this ADA Cardano. Guys, I have just found a perfect, live trades are going to begin on this month, on the upcoming months, I mean. I found the perfect Cardano Metaverse project. I'm going to talk about it in the tomorrow night's live. Make sure to turn on notification bell of the channel, because in the live I'm going to buy a bunch of lands. Okay, I'm going to buy a bunch of lands tomorrow night in the Metaverse. So make sure to watch that live carefully, and let's see what's going on with this ADA. For the Cardano, this is the final support for Cardano. $1 area. Where is the resistance of this Cardano? Where is the resistance? Let's find a perfect resistance for Cardano. Where are you, buddy? Where are you, my friend? Where are you? I cannot see anything, guys. So we would set the potential resistance area here, 1.56 up to 1.64 is a potential resistance area for Cardano, and we have a perfect support for 1 hour time frame, somewhere around 1.19 is going to be a perfect support on the 1 hour time frame. We have a stop hunter setup at this level. After the breakdown below this level, most of people, they have scared too much, they have entered short positions, stuff like that. And right now, if we see somewhere around here, I'm going to buy it because I think we are going to have a strong bounce from this level. So right now I'm going to click on this level, and for longer time frame, for higher time frames, I think we are going to have a trading range in this area. I think we are going to have the trading range in this area. And after some consolidation, we need some consolidation at this area, guys, on the weekly time frame or the daily time frame. After that, we can actually move to 1.94 or $2 again. But before that, we are going to see some consolidation in this area because because we had a dramatical movement to the downside. And I think after this consolidation, some good news will be announced for Cardano again. And right now, in my opinion, we are going to see some trading range. Let's check ADA versus Bitcoin. So the first support 1.20, 1.19. Let's check ADA versus Bitcoin. ADA BTC USDT. I was searching that. Yeah, ADA versus Bitcoin is having a pullback to this support area. If we see some lower levels, I think we are going to see another wave to the upside with the stop loss below this candle. I would set my stop loss here, and after that, I think price can move up a little bit. But the majority of trend is consolidation in this area. I think we are going to have consolidation in this area because this bearish movement was too much, and we need consolidation in order to change the sentiment of the market. The market sentiment is not going to flip in only a day. We need time. We need time, and yeah. Let me change the camera. Okay, guys, it's late in the night in my country, and most of you. I hope you enjoyed tonight live. I hope it was beneficial for you. Tomorrow night, I'm going to have a live video about Metaverse project. I have found something really nice. I'm going to buy a bunch of lands tomorrow night in the live video. Tomorrow night's live video, tonight's live video, every live video here, and every content in this channel, they are not financial advice. It's for educational purposes, for stuff like that, not financial advice. Make sure to turn on notification bell of this channel, and make sure to do that. Make sure to jump into the lives, and don't worry about the market. It's cryptocurrency market. This market is extremely volatile. Better to get used to it, because if you don't, you will end up making a huge amount of loss. And I myself, I've used to this market too much, because the first time that I have bought Ethereum, not the first time, one of the first times that I bought Ethereum price moved down for 80%. That was a dramatical movement. After that, Ethereum moved down for something like 2000%. Okay, this is the cryptocurrency market. Get used to it and don't worry about it. Yeah, just get used to it. Don't make too much risk. Don't trade with the money that you cannot afford to lose. And one of the best way to lose money in cryptocurrency market in my country, something really bad is happening right here, because uh, most of people in my country, they are buying Apple IDs, okay? And when you buy Apple ID, the owner of that Apple ID has access to your image, has access to your notes, to your phone numbers, and when you screenshot the recovery phrase of your wallets into your phone, some hackers might have access to your image in the image of your phone, and you will end up making a huge loss. You will end up losing money. Don't do that, and have fun. I'm going to see you later tomorrow night live. Don't miss it. And good night, Hussein. Good night, Milad. Good night, everybody. If you enjoyed this live video, give it some thumbs up and help other people to watch this live video too. I'm going to feed my dog. I'm going to play with him a little bit because he's a little bit sad. I don't have any kind of uh, consultant, not even private one, because I'm not a financial advisor, man. Yeah. Good night.